I'm good, thanks. I'm so sorry I took a while. Actually, my phone died, so I had to log in through my laptop, and that takes a while. And my phone was charging, so I was just waiting for the laptop to load, and I just took my phone off charge.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah.
So, any doubt in the questions which were shared with you?
No, sir. I actually did them last minute, so I only have one more to complete. But the rest of them I did them. Yeah. Okay, I had a few doubts, right? So for I don't know if you have the questions with you, but
Yes, I have image.
yeah, so it was for what was it? Number one for the solving the quadratic formula. You know those 8 questions, not the roots one.
M is
The
m square minus 5m minus 14.
which one you see? That's the last thing. No. From the first one, you see number one, right? Let's go to number one. So it's I asked Meta for help for that one.
In which we have to find the nature of the roots.
No, not that one. The other one, the second portion of it, the one we have to solve for in a quadratic.
Okay, the first question.
Yes. So I did it.
First question. Okay.
Yeah. So I did it as Meta told me to set it out as. I didn't use anything else, just that part. It's the 2s squared plus 9 equals to 0.
So 2s squared plus 9 is equals to 0. In this one, we have to find the nature of the roots. But
so doesn't the question say, didn't it say solve in a...
No, you can at least check it.
Solve each equation with the quadratic formula.
And the first part is m is minus 5m minus 14.
Okay. No, sorry. So I'm on the wrong one. Sorry, I'm on the wrong one. It's finding the nature of roots. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. So the 2s squared plus 9 equals to 0. I had a doubt there. Yeah, same one.
Okay, so we have to find the discriminant firstly. So here the value of a is 2. Value of b is 0 because it is not present here, and the constant term is 9. So the formula to calculate discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So have you solved this by the quadratic formula?
I did. I solved. Yes, I did. I put it as, I set it out as d equals to 0 squared minus 4 times 2 times 9.
Okay, 4 into a into 2 into 9. So that will be negative 54. Means this equation will not have any real roots. It will have imaginary roots because discriminant is negative. Yes, imaginary. Okay. Yeah, I just want to check something, sir. Just one moment. Okay. So I have a doubt. Wouldn't I have to bring down the 0 and times 4 by 2 and 9 and then get negative 72? Negative 72. Yes, sir. So this is 0. Now you have to multiply these 3 numbers, right? Yes, sir. 4. So 4 into 2, that is 6, and 6 into 9, that is 54. How are you getting a 72? Oh, okay. Then I guess I just did it wrong. I timed it as, I didn't do it the way you did. I said negative 4 times 2 times 9. Did it the wrong way. Okay. So yeah. Negative 4, then 2, and then 9. So you have to multiply all these 3 numbers. You will get a negative 54 only. Okay. So it'd be negative 4 times 2 times 9. But so even on my calculator, I'm getting negative 72. Negative 4 multiplied by 2 and positive 9, right? Yes. Yeah, same thing. So I'm getting negative 72. How is this possible? Yes, it is negative 72. 4 into 2 will be 8. I am taking it as 6. I am adding them. 4 into 2, 8, and 8 into 9, 72. Negative 72.
Oh my gosh, I got so scared. I was like, how?
Okay, so
Okay.
still it has imaginary roots because discriminant is negative.
Yes. So if I do get something like this where it's just A and B that's mentioned and there's no C and it's just equals to 0, then B becomes a positive 0 or a negative 0, depending on the number previous to it. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so
And there
yeah,
was a
yeah.
fifth question in which it was 8u square plus 5u is equals to 0,
Yes.
in which you have to find the nature. So what's your answer for this one?
I got negative 106, which is imaginary.
Okay, let's see. So here, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, so I did two, right? So that was my working according to what I thought was right. And then when I asked Meta, Meta said it was 25, making it a real root. So
Okay, let's
yeah.
check. So here, the value of A is 8, value of B is positive 5, and since there is no constant term, so value of C will be 0.
Yes.
Now, discriminant B square minus 4AC. So B square is 5. 4 into A, that is 8, and C is 0. So whenever you multiply any number by 0, so that terms will give uh, final answer as 0. So for the whole term, 5 square minus 25 minus this will become 0 because 0 is in multiplication with 4 and 8. So your answer will be 25, and this equation has real and distinct roots or unequal roots.
Oh, so you know what I did? You see, like the previous one that we did, right? And you had B became 0. So what I did
Yes.
was in this case as well, I made in my working, I put B as 0 as well. That's where my mistake went. So how would I
Yes.
know? Okay, so I have a question. How would I know I have to replace like 0 as B or just keep it where it is or where it stays the same? How would I know that?
Okay.
'Cause,
So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation.
that's
And in this equation, x is the variable.
okay.
And in this example, they have changed the variable. They have taken u as the variable. So if I replace u in the standard equation, so our standard form will become a u square plus b u plus c is equals to 0. So a will be the
Yeah.
coefficient of u square, that is 8. B will be the coefficient of u, that is 5. And there is no constant term present. There is only two terms. C is, that is constant term is not present. So you have to take C as 0. In this one, they have taken the variable 2 square plus 9 is equals to 0. They have taken variable s. So there is no s term present because then standard form will become as square plus bs plus c is equals to 0. So there is only square term and the constant term. There is no s term present. So that is why I have taken b as 0 because b is the coefficient of s.
Oh, so
So
if like
there,
there's no variable in the second number, then you put it at 0.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Yeah, I understand that. So thank you.
Okay, any other doubt?
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-Level. Start learning with us today.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, what's your answer?
Work.
Yes, so what's your answer for this one?
5/2 and -5/2.
Okay, let's check. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, and C is -20. So the formula is X is negative B plus minus B square minus 4AC over 2A. Substituting the values, so that will be -3 plus minus 9 minus 4 into 2 into -20 over 2 into A, that is 4. X is equals to -3 plus minus 9 plus 4 into 8 into 20, that would be 160 over 4. So X is -3 plus minus 13 over 4. So X is -3 plus 13 over 4, or -3 minus 13 over 4. So that will be 10 over 4, that is 5 over 2. And the next value is -16 over 4, that is -4.
-16/4.
Yes, please.
Wait, I have to check. So -3 minus 7 is -10.
So -3 -7. So how you got -7?
What did I put? Wait, did I put -7? Oh, okay. That was a glitch. That was a glitch from my side. Oh, I don't know how to put
Oh.
-7. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. -13. Okay, it's a glitch from my side. It's just the silly. You know, it's
Okay. Okay, so have you written the solution of this one? Because I think we have covered the solution of this one in the last class.
Yes, sir.
In this question, can you please check? Have we covered this one also?
We haven't done this, no.
Okay, so you have to do this question
Oh, okay.
by completing the square method.
So I'm a bit confused with this one.
Okay, so let's start with the first step. So here the coefficient of x square is already 1. So
Yeah.
there is no need to do anything. So in the
Mhm.
next step, we have to shift the constant term on the other side.
Okay.
Then we have to do half of the coefficient of x. So a coefficient of x is 5 and its half will be 5 over 2 because for half we divide by 2. And then we have to do square of it. So square of it will be 25 over 4. So, and then we have to add this on both the sides. So x square plus 5x plus 25 over 4 is equals to minus 6 plus 25 over 4. So have you done these steps correctly?
No, sir. Didn't.
Okay.
Especially at step 3, that's where I kind of got confused. Step 3.
Yes. So first you have to do the half of the coefficient of x, then you have to do square of it and then add on both the sides of the equality sign.
You have to find the coefficients. Then
Yes.
you find the coefficient of B and C, right?
No. Only the coefficient of x, that is the value of p.
Okay. Okay.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
So basically half of what B is, and then
Do square of this and then add on both the sides.
so it's 5 over 2, and then you just times 5 by 5 and 2 by 2.
Yes, because you have to do square of it. So square of 5 will be 25 and square of 2 will be 4.
Okay.
Then you have to identify the two square terms. So one square term, you can clearly see that x square is the square of x. And this is also the square because we have done square of 5 over 2. So this is the square of 5 over 2. So since all terms are positive, so you have to simply write x plus 5 over 2 whole square is equals to, then you have to solve on the right hand side by taking the LCM. So that will be, LCM will be 4 and that will be negative 24 over 25. So x plus 5 over 2 whole square is equals to 1 over 4.
Over 2 squared equals to negative 24 plus 25. Okay, sir, can you repeat the third step again?
So now on the left hand side, this will be a square of our expression. So you have to identify the square terms. Means which are the square terms. So x square, this is a square term because x square is a square of x. So first you have to write only square terms in this brackets. So this is the square, and we have just done the square of 5 over 2, that is 25 over 4. So we know that 25 over 4 is the square of 5 over 2. So this is the second square term. So I have written that 5 over 2. So if all the terms are positive, then you have to take the positive sign. If this term in which only x is present, this term is negative, then we have to take the negative sign. Or if there is any negative term present, then you have to take the negative sign. And if all the terms are positive, then you have to take the positive sign here. Then on the left hand side, we had minus 6 over 1 plus 25 over 4. So we have to solve this. So firstly, we have to make the denominator same. So you can take the LCM for that, or you can simply multiply by 4 on both the sides, because here the denominator is 4. And if I have to make this also 4, I have to multiply by 4. So if I am multiplying denominator by 4, I have to multiply numerator also by 4. Or you can take the LCM also. I'm just explaining both the approaches. This is by LCM and this is by multiplying a fraction. So minus 6 into 4, that will be minus 24. 1 into 4, 4 plus 25 over 4. So now both the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, just simply write the denominator and solve the numerator. So 25 minus 24, that will be 1 over 4.
Okay.
There are still some steps left in this question.
Oh, are they?
Yes.
Oh, my word. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. When I noted it down in my book, it doesn't look a lot just on the screen, you know?
Yes. So I'm writing the next step. So in the next step, you have to see, if we remove square from the one side, then we have to put square root on the other side. So x plus 5 over 2 and then square root on the other side, because I have removed the square from one side. That's the rule, that if you are removing a square sign from one side, then you have to put a square root on the other side. Okay.
Sorry, so please repeat that. Please repeat.
Yes, I'm saying that whenever, like here, we have a square and I want to remove that square sign from here. So I have to put a square root on the other side. So I have
Oh, okay.
removed a square sign from here. So I have to put a square root on the other side, like x square is equals to 25. And if I want to remove this square sign, so I have to put a square root over here. So now we have to check that 25 is the square of which number? It
Five.
is a square of positive 5 and negative 5. So you can write plus minus 5.
Okay.
So similarly, here x plus 5 over 2, we have to check that 1 over 4 is the square of which number? So 1 is the square of 1 and 4 is the square of 2, and both positive and negative. Because when you do the square of positive 1 over 2, you will get 1 over 4. And if you do the square of negative 1 over 2, you will get the same 1 over 4. Then you have to shift this a positive 1/2 on the other side. Now you have to solve in the similar way. You have to take positive sign for the ones, then the negative sign. So you will get negative after solving -2 and -3. Since we have to find the roots, means we have to find the value of x. If it wasn't written that you have to do by the completing the squares, you can do it by the quadratic formula also. I think you are much comfortable with that method.
But so in the exam, will they just say find the roots of the equation? Will they say by completing the square method or by using by factorizing or quadratic formula? Will they specify, or will you just have to
No,
do
they
it?
will. No, they will not specify. But if this is the equation, they will like there is a one whole question based on the quadratic chapter, and there will be A, B, C, D, E parts. So you can solve the first one by the quadratic formula, but the next parts will be such that you have to use the completing the square.
Okay.
Because in examination, most of the questions from the quadratic chapter are from the completing the square method.
Oh, okay. I like the quadratic formula, and I think completing the square will be fine once I learn it. Like the quadratic formula, I more or less kind of know, now. And,
Yes, yes.
the completing the square, yeah, I'll get it with practice. If you could give me some homework on the quadratic, completing the square, it'll be nice. Even some on quadratic formula, just so that I it stays in my mind.
So, like I have given the questions last time in which you have to solve the equation with the quadratic formula, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can solve the same 6 questions with the completing the square method.
Oh, okay.
The answer should be the same. If you are getting the different answer, it means you have done something wrong.
Oh, okay.
Have you written this one?
I've taken a pic. I just want to note it down better so I can add my own notes. Almost
Okay.
done.
Okay.